Let's go mga kachika, samahan niyo ko sa bagong showbiz updates, at kung bago ka sa aking channel maari lamang mag-subscribe ka muna, salamat. Confirmed Kris Aquino makikitang muli ng publiko sa television, at hindi nga lang sa ABS-CBN. Sa GMA7 siya magiging co-host ni Willie Revillame. Sa caption ni Kris Aquino ay kinonfirm niya ito. Paano ba magsisimula? Thank you to my friend, a real friend Willie Revillame because from even before the first lockdown, bago pa naging bahagi ng mga buhay namin ang Shopee he tried his best to convince at GMA Network to give me a chance to co-host with him. Thank you at Annette Gozon Valdez and at Joey Abaken for this opportunity. To my at Shopee family, maybe I can now share this part of my journey with my brother, my kuya. Sorry I will omit the exact date but this was a little over a month before his death. Napuntahan ko siya, naghintay ng more than 3 hours until he was peacefully resting para masilip siya sa ICU after a procedure. The whole team at Makati Med were just so caring at compassionate and they did everything to protect his privacy. Sobrang na-touch ako because I saw for all of them it was more than just professionalism, it was respect. Gumawa ako ng paraan because they had to know how much I appreciated them, so my Shopee fam kept my secret so that I could order special Kris Shopee Pay vouchers. Walang lumabas na gawa ng paraan, nakapag-thank you ako sa mga tahimik na nag-alaga sa kuya ko mula December 2019 nung labas-masok na siya sa ospital. As I told my Shopee fam, I am fully aware my contract expires on 10/10 but they have my love at loyalty for life. Honestly, takot akong bumalik on TV, and all platforms FB, YT, IG, and Twitter this Sunday because I know I'm underweight, although I'm fully vaccinated I do have autoimmune, I'm still driven, and matagal na kung hindi lumalabas on network TV. But, sabi niyo hinahangaan niyo sa akin ang pagiging strong ko. Now is my chance to prove it, and why should I be scared? Katabi ni KCA si WBR and this is for at Shopee. And for all of my followers na patiently naghintay for this moment to arrive, #love. Samantala, makikita sa mga komento kung gaano ka-excited ang mga fans ni Miss Kris Aquino sa kanyang pagbabalik. Kita-kits tayo muli sa mga susunod ko pang mga showbiz updates. Please like, share and subscribe. Pakihit na rin ang notification bell para ma-notify ka sa mga susunod ko pang upload. Again maraming salamat.